Okay guys, today is a video I've been looking forward to forever. We're gonna be testing out square wheels on the Mini Max. Alright guys, I have successfully printed square wheels for the Mini Max, and whatever truck we're gonna be doing a square wheel challenge. And this is my first prototype, so it fits. So you know what I'm doing? I'm printing 3 more. Yeah, see guys, I got 3 more on the way, so I finished all 4. We're getting there, boys. And essentially what I'm doing is I'm robbing these wheels and tires off of the polar lights, which is totally broken and they don't make parts for it anymore. And guys, in order to fit these wheels, I'm having to sand off this part of the wheel here so that it will fit into my blocks.
Those are tires.
We're gonna be testing out the square tires here on the Mini Max today. And you guys might have seen a few videos of this from Mythbusters, from another YouTuber. Theory is that we could go so fast that they hit the tops and essentially it would be wobble free. But we're gonna be testing this out in the sand today and on a few different terrains. How do you think this is gonna do, guys? How do you think it's gonna do, Byron?
Horrible.
Terrible? Well, what else can we do besides just try it out? See, they do turn. They do turn.
That is so...
Oh my
They're
God.
like a screwed up paddle tire.
Yes.
Bye-bye diffs. Those are Squirtle tires. Squirtle tires.
Oh my God. It takes
forever to turn.
Yeah.
Oh. BL2S hates its life.
Let's go over here and test it on this hill.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. All right. Made it. Besides, we got blocked by the tree.
Yeah, that little tree. We need to bring some snippers and snip it. It's not our tree, but who cares? It's in the way.
Oh yeah, it makes it no problem.
Doing wheelies still. Go on the road and see what it does.
Oh no, we need a little bit more off. Uh-oh.
Oh. Oh.
Oh. All right, here you go, Byron.
Got a cameraman down.
Now you get to try the square wheels on the Mini Max. Yeah, look at it. She does this perfect. Look at that chunk that it took out right there. It's feisty on them. Oh my gosh, this easy. It's hitting the body so bad. It almost flips over backwards. Nope. They don't even wobble that bad.
Nope.
Oh. See, when it goes fast enough, the theory works. It's smooth. We have finally debunked it. It might not have worked on a real car, but it works on an RC. They're not even wearing down too bad.
No.
It has too much grip.
Too much sauce.
Dude, it climbs that hill so easy. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Not my tires. At first I thought it was the diff.
The tree is always the killer.
The destroyer's coming up here. Milwaukee for the win. Nice. Goodbye, tree. Oh, almost made it around barn.
He's trying to hurt my foot.
Let's see how bad they tear up on asphalt. Yeah. It's actually relatively smooth. It's smooth.
I am pinned.
As it goes in the drainage ditch. Here comes a speed run of it. Wow, dude, it is smooth. Pulling wheelies on him. Yeah, flip it over backwards. Oh, 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 oh. Across this ground, going pretty quick. Look at that. Nice little jump there. I say it works pretty well. Dude, it works way too well.
You want to put a 3S on it?
I would love to. She's upside down. You made it. Whoa. Oh. Nice. So it works on sand, it works on gravel, and it works on concrete. I'd say this is a success. This old 3D printed square wheels. Probably haven't broke anything on it yet.
I'm telling you, these first two actually go super strong. The other two, not so strong.
You could just hear him slapping, but it's moving so easy. Oh, oh.
Do the hilltop. Oh, stupid stick. I saw you going right towards it, and that stupid stick jumped in the way. I guess this is where they come and dump trash at all over the place over here at Lindsay Park. That upsets our veganism.
Like nuts?
Yeah.
Slow crawl.
Slow hill climb.
No problem.
Oh, look at the rut, dude.
Okay. Okay, chill out. Oh!
It eats up the earth, I know that much.
And it didn't even eat into the wheels that bad. A little bit right there.
The wheels? I would hope it didn't eat into the wheels.
I mean, it didn't eat into the tires.
The tires, no.
Oh, is it separating right there?
It separated it right there, but that's okay. You know why that's okay? Because that just means more traction.
Dude, the chassis is so hot.
I bet so. I bet that thing is hating dear life. I don't think you're going to be able to do it. By the way, guys, don't let a Max slash smack you. So what do you think, Brett?
Well, I think it was a success, and I think we finally proved that it can be very smooth. It just has to be on an RC car. And they worked very well in the sand and in the gravel and on concrete, but it's a little hard to steer on concrete as it's just going. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching our square wheel test.
What'd it do?
What?
What'd it do? You sounded like an armor boy right there.
I know, I was.